Home cleaning agents you should never combine, and reasons not to combine them. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sister Augusta Ozo, a sister of St. Louis and your nurse midwife. If you are just joining us on Body Gist, please click on the subscribe button so that you do not get missed out anytime we upload new videos. You can also follow us on all our other platforms. We're on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Drop your comments. We shall be there to attend to it. We want to say a big thank you to all our existing subscribers. Do not go away. We shall be right back. Home cleaning agents you should never combine. Never combine toilet cleaners with bleaching agents. This is because toilet cleaners contain hydrochloric acid and ammonia, while bleaching agents contain sodium hypochlorate. When these two substances come together, they produce chloramines or chlorine gas. If this gas gets in contact with water, the results are always dangerous to the body system. With the production of chlorine gas or chloramine, once it is inhaled into the body system, the individual begins to feel irritation of the eyes, the nose, the throat, and the airway. And this reactions is noticed in the body only a few minutes after inhalation, and the individual begins to feel unease. The symptoms noticed once this gas is inhaled include teary eyes. The individual begins to bring water out of the eyes, running nose. Of course, mucus begins to fall from the individual's nose. Then there could be sore throat, chest congestion, cough, and difficulty in breathing. The cough could even be productive and blood stained. The truth is that the results could be life-threatening if immediate resuscitative actions are not taken. What should you do if you find yourself in such a situation? If you find yourself exposed to the effects of this solution, flush off the toilet immediately. Open the nearby doors and windows to let out air. Move away from the area, then wash your hands, your body, and your clothes. Do not forget to seek immediate medical attention. You now know the reason why you should not combine some cleaning agents, most especially those that contain sodium hypochlorate as in bleach, then hydrochloric acid with ammonia as in toilet cleaning agents. Thanks for always following us on Body Gist. Thanks for always watching our video. If you find this video very helpful, please share with your loved ones. Drop your comments. We shall be there to attend to it. Keep following us on Body Gist. I remain your nurse midwife, Sister Augusta Ozo.